morning, students. Coming to the next category of waste which has been developed or due to the development of science and technology, perhaps because we are advancing in different fields and we are generating waste related to e-waste. So the main two types of waste are biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, but a third category of waste has been developed in recent days, recent times, because we are developing in each and every field in science and technology, and we are generating e-waste or electronic waste. Now electronic waste now doesn't only limit ourselves to those mobiles or computers or telephone or maybe your television. There are other e-waste also. Now children, e-waste is very harmful. You can see nowadays people are using mobiles, each and every person after maybe 2 or 3 years, and some of you must have seen that some people, they even change their mobiles after a year. So you don't pile up those mobiles, okay, they are damaged or they are not functioning properly, so they are thrown. That is also e-waste. That mobile, big area of waste is generated in e-waste. Different televisions, maybe the inner part, that's electrical part in the television, or maybe the radio, or maybe any electrical gadgets which we are using nowadays, those micro ovens or your mixer grinder or your refrigerator, all these electrical items which are thrown, your cells, the batteries, okay, the pen drives which we are throwing or dumping as a waste, they are called e-waste. And children, e-waste like non-biodegradable waste are in a similar fashion. They do not mix with the soil and they remain in the soil. They harm the environment because there are metals in this. So they take many years to decompose, and these e-waste break down. It releases toxic heavy metal like lead or cadmium. So these type of waste, e-waste, different these electronic items or electrical gadgets, like computer, mobiles and other electrical devices, they are all made of some minerals or metals, and they are broken down when you throw it and you dump it in the dumping yard or the place where you throw the waste, and they break down and they do not mix with the soil, but those heavy metals which are there, they mix with the environment, they mix with the air, and they pollute the air, they pollute the soil, they even harm the people who are living nearby. People who are living near those areas, they are being affected, diseases are caused. So e-waste or electronic waste consists of parts of computer, mobiles, television, other electrical gadgets, your pen drives, your electrical items, fittings which you use, like fans, tube lights, all electrical devices and equipments. They take many years to decompose, and some of them remain in the environment for many years, millions of years, and this e-waste breaks down and releases toxic, means bad metal, and they mix with the air and harm the environment. So we should take care. Actually nowadays you must have seen people using different types of dustbins for different waste. Dustbins are used in this way where you throw the biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste and e-waste. Okay? So these waste products should be thrown. If you go to hospitals, you will see that they are dustbins where it is mentioned that what are the products, they have to throw it in those particular dustbins because they use those syringes and injections and other medicines. So in this way we should have proper disposable facilities for different categories of waste, which we will study in the coming modules.